no. But we can go.
We can go.
No, wait. Go.
Fuck me!
Fuck you.
Oh, that's a KFC at United.
Oh, great work. Shit, he didn't even look. Just U-turned right in front of this car.
A few moments later.
Oh, there's Mr. I just do U-turns wherever the fuck I want, Ranger.
There's not even in there.
Oh, just ran the red light.
Oh my.
The picture spot opportunity, and we're doing the sightseeing. And we're just.
Are you fucking kidding me, you
You would, all of you would know a bit about tobacco smells. If you smoke a lot, you'd probably find yourself wanting to buy cigarettes. If you smoke a lot, you'd probably find yourself wanting to buy cigarettes.
In 600 meters, use the right 2 lanes to turn right.
You dick!
That's my brother. Steal this spot right there. Steal this spot. What are we doing?
So I was actually cleaning, like putting these boxes that were in the walkway up on that shelf.
Bad place to park.
Yes, put it into the ditch.
And basically,
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week. Pompous, stuck-up, snot-nosed, warp, scumbag, fuckface, dickhead, ass... What an absolute bastard.
Don't worry, babe, I'm coming. I'm coming around. How long have you been sitting there for?
I don't know actually. Maybe
What the fuck?
like 45 minutes?
It's one way! It's one way!
What the fuck are you doing?
Never saw a lot more.
Bogan! Nice. Jesus Christ. Red, red, red. Fuck, I'm pretty sure you can't do that.
I wonder if you can. Did they say anything about deep pain sensation at all?
Idiot. Hey?
Did they say?
Right! Eat it!
Baby,
Oi, oi.
Five points for hitting petrol heads. Jet skiers too. No points for hitting P-platers. They do not work for you. 3 points for a Volvo driver. Don't run for stereotyping. But here's the way to maximum points. You'll do it without trying. 10 points for a Razor scooter. 10 points for a Razor scooter. Double if it's not a kid. Smash a pumpkin, kill a Heidi. Celebrities with the fire. Hit anyone on reality TV. Call it non-survivor. 3 points for a pagan word.
Bit clapped out, but not heard.
Lives in Africa. She is
Nice.
warm, bunny.
Proudly presented by the new
Nice.
1047.
Hot rod. Sounds like shit. And smells.
An investigation was launched back in July last year after the 62-year-old disappeared, with his wife now charged with deadly murder. Detective Superintendent
Lovely. Oh. Old Holden